Hi, water signs. This is the reading for Pisces, Scorpios, and Cancerians. Okay, I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers and. If you like it, kindly subscribe to my channel. Okay, so one important announcement for you guys: if you want to book one-on-one personal reading with me, the details are given in the description box below. If you want to help me with the support of donations, the donation link details, you can donate it via PayPal and Google Pay. The details are given in the description box below. And if you want to support my channel, you can enroll for our 10 days tarot learning workshop. The details are given in the description box below, or else you can mail me for enrolling to our 10 days tarot learning workshop online via video calls, WhatsApp video calls, or Zoom video calls. Okay, and the last announcement is I am giving May month giveaways. Okay, so the details are given in the description box below. You can check it out kindly. So I'll be providing 5 Vasol giveaways, free personal reading. Okay, so kindly check out the description box below for this giveaways. Okay, so yeah, if you like this reading, kindly check out the kindly comment down below, so that it will help me, and what kind of videos you are looking for more. So I'll be grateful to you. I'll be getting more suggestions. Kindly suggest me like which kind of videos would you like more from me. Okay, water signs. So yeah, let's check it out. Okay, if you want to book one-on-one reading with me, the details are given in the description box below. Okay, yes. And if you want to learn tarots, how to do it, when to do it, what to do it, how to resonate it with other cards, the details are given for enrolling to my workshop is given in the description box below. Yeah. Okay. Let's check it out. What is there for my water signs, Scorpio, Cancerians, and Pisces. Okay, I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. And if you like it, kindly give a thumbs up button, like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, yeah, guys. Okay, let's check it out. The Emperor, 8 of Wands. Wow. Okay, so water signs, this is mostly, I'm feeling like it's like kind of love reading. Okay, so we have the Emperor, 8 of Wands, Knight of Swords, 7 of Wands, 3 of Cups, and 4 of Swords. Okay, so a communication is taking place in the month of May, guys. Okay, now for some of you who are thinking about career, so communication will be taking place when it comes to your career related thing. Okay, communication of an offer, project, or anything. Okay, and the other of you who are dealing with a separation in a relationship, or some issues are going on with your relationships, I feel that you'll be standing in your own power, water signs. In the month of May, you'll be standing as strong, you'll be highly intuitive. A communication, you are initiating a communication with someone, you will be rushing in towards someone or something, you are taking an action towards someone or something, you are avoiding all the barriers, conflicts, confusions, and gaining a lot of clarity and in communication. Okay, you are avoiding all the conflicts, disputes, problems, obstacles, and moving forward towards someone or something. You are moving towards a reconciliation or a reunion. You are thinking a lot about, in the month of May, you will be analyzing a lot. You will be highly intuitive. You will be analyzing a lot of many things. Okay, and you are moving towards a reconciliation or a reunion, or a new partner might be entering into your life if you are single. And if you are committed, a reconciliation or reunion might be taking place. And if it comes to your career life, I feel a new offer, new projects might be coming, and you might be thinking about removing all the obstacles when it comes to your career life and moving towards your success, and analyzing a lot and switching up of a job, or moving towards something new, starting something new, you want to begin something new. So yeah, water signs, you might be walking away from something to start something new. Okay, this is a common message for everyone, because I am also getting a common message, like spirit's messages. uh, Spirit is telling me that you will be getting a lot of, you want an equal give and take, whether it's a career related thing or it's a relationship. Okay, so you are moving towards equal give and take. Okay, you are no more gaining, or no more thinking about others. You will be thinking about yourself first. Okay, no more relying on breadcrumbs. Okay, and you will be focusing more on yourself, thinking about yourself and taking your own decisions when it comes to your path. Okay, yeah, so you will be standing strong, you will be highly intuitive in the month of May, and you will be very good, and you will be rushing in, you will be taking actions. Like there is Knight of Swords, that means you will be rushing in with something new, starting something new, taking an action towards a communication or a reconciliation or whatever it is. So yeah guys, you will be analyzing and taking decision, you will be making a good choice, you'll by taking an action towards a reconciliation or a reunion, or else if it's a career life, you'll be analyzing a lot, moving away all the obstacles and circumstances, and moving forward towards your own happiness, which is a new job, a new career, starting of a new business, whatever it is, whatever making you happy, so you will be following that. Okay, so I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers, my dear water signs. Okay, and if you really like this video, kindly like, share and subscribe, and comment down below of this video that if you like it and what kind of videos you want me to make on. Okay, so yeah guys, thank you so much.